years ago, I was in Tokyo. Then I went into a Japanese medicine shop and I bought 麦门冬汤.
Yeah, I got it from my husband this time. He was coughing like.
Your last trip, you use 麦门冬汤, and then what else you use?
This is a 风寒 because it's really a sudden cold weather, and then you got the 风寒感冒. Because starting you really want to like 宣肺.
Like open up the lung.
Yeah. Sometimes I use 半夏厚朴 also. If let's say it's stress induced, then like
Oh, they stress that.
yeah, then they feel like coughing, but then the flame is just stuck there. Okay, for some other people, it's 保和丸. Like they cough after they eat. You find that after they eat, they very phlegmy one. 就保和咯，是祛痰它消食的嘛。脾是生痰之源嘛，腹是助痰之器嘛。So you just help with their digestion a bit. I feel like it works with kids also because kids tend to like overeat.